We've got plenty of water again. As you can see, it's flowing quite heavily again. This is the fenceway that I renewed the other week, and so much better now. We get a lot of water flowing down the neighbour's side, and then of course our creek that goes through. Creeks are quite swollen at the moment with all the water. Of course the rains goes all in the water troughs, grain troughs, so clean it all out and start again. Get a bit of hay and wipe it out. And of course the hay trough I cleaned out fully yesterday, so it's all just what's left in here now is all just wet. Throw it around on the paddock and it makes good compost. Oh, geez, I'm getting dusted. The biscuit doesn't want to see how it's all in biscuits. This is what I was saying about when I was stacking the hay away. How the square bale it goes in forms biscuits as it compresses the bale. Geez, I'm not having much luck here. Biscuit doesn't want to separate. There we go. You wouldn't think it would take that much, but it's quite a lot to it, especially with my little Tyrannosaurus Rex arms that I have now with the arthritis. Sort of makes it a bit more challenging to put your muscle into it. They're all coming around keen to get in on it. They want to feed. It's important to give them lots of good hay. I'm sure it warms them up by getting their stomachs working. The bales get quite compressed, so it takes a fair bit to pull it apart. But that's alright, you just keep persisting with it and eventually you get there. Right, now for the grain. Grab a handful of old hay so I can swipe out the grain trough. And then got a bit of rain on the grain this morning. Can't help that. grain into the trough. I don't like using the big grain feeders because you get rats and stuff that like to make themselves a home in there. At least this way they get fresh grain every single day, so you don't have it going stale or vermin affecting it. Righto. Off to the next paddock.